This Coldwell Banker Heritage Homes property video is presented by Matthew Enriquez. Charming 3-bedroom home with solar panels and workshop. Discover your ideal starter home in this inviting 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath house nestled on a peaceful street. This property offers the perfect blend of comfort and practicality, making it an excellent choice for first-time buyers. Key features include energy efficiency. Equipped with solar panels, this home has significantly reduced electricity costs for the current owners, offering both sustainability and savings. A spacious workshop, the backyard features a generously sized shop ideal for hobbies or storage. A private, fully enclosed yard, enjoy privacy and security in the fully fenced yard, perfect for pets, children, and outdoor entertaining. For more information,